babes, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This video is going to be a collaboration with Tinashe Hair. This is going to be all about this HD lace frontal wig that I am rocking from Tinashe Hair. And as you can see, we have a highlight skunk stripe going on. So if you want to see how I install this wig, stay tuned for the rest of the video. It's like he reaching number 4 now. Go ahead and dash it on the phone. Girl, go ahead and show me how you go down. And I feel my whole body peeking. And I'm fucking anybody with their legs wide. Getting faded with some bitches from the west side, east coast, nigga rapping north side. Never waste a whole time. Bitch, I'm on my own time. Fuck a nigga close time. Always change my number and my phone line. Baby girl, I don't lie. Used to have no money for a crib. Now my room's service bill cost your whole life. If they try to stab me, I go all out military. I'm camoed all out like I'm in the military. I free up all my niggas locked up in the penitentiary. Cause I'm always reppin' for that low life. Reppin' for that low life. Low life, low life, my life. No, I'm reppin' for that low life.
Let me take their ass back to the club real quick.
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted.
Who be the king of the sound? Bust a bus back, they just put a lock on the town. None of my bitches be coming from miles around. See, they be coming, cause they know how to gouge it down.
Turn it up, now you know who holding the throne, so give me the crown. Niggas saluting and trying to give me a pound. I don't really fuck with you niggas is clowns. Making the bitches strip and throw this shit on the ground.
Get low, boss, that's the way that it goes. When we up in the spot, the shit be flooded with holes. Come on, see when you make it hot, the chicks will come out their clothes. That's when they get it. Mommy already know I
Turn it up,
suppose.
shorty wildin' and shorty open, she beastin' it out. For the record, just a second, I'm freaking it out. Come on, watch it trying to touch it, I was peeping it out. She turned around and was trying to peek it in the mouth. I let her
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted.
The god of the block, you see that I'm back. Every single time that I drop, your shit is a rap. For the niggas hating the kid, I'm close to the strap, cause all these bitches wanna come talk and sit on my
turn it
lap.
up, every time I get you bang shit, they knocking your whip. Come on, nigga always do his thing, bitch, locking the strip. Come on, lot of mommy just dancing and they shaking their hips. After that they get low, put the thing on their lips. I let them
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it.
and cars. Wood floors in the new apartment. Coupe tour from the store's departments. You more like love to start shit. I'm more of the trips to Florida. Order the orders. Views of the water. Straight from a page of your favorite author. And the weather's so breezy. Man, why can't life always be this easy? She in the mirror dancing so sleazy. I get a call like, where are you, Yeezy? And try to hit you with the old wop. Till I got flashed by the paparazzi. Damn, these niggas got me. I hate these niggas more than Nazi.
Okay, so this wig is 22 inches long with a 13x4 lace frontal. I have 4 inches to the back. I part it all the way over to the side. It's a consistent 4 inches. Super deep side part. It's 4 inches. So the HD lace melts into the skin so well. It did not take a lot. I did do some plucking, so this hairline is, for the most part, it comes with like a pre-plucked hairline. So you know, these hairstyles have been trending. I did do a TikTok on this and I uploaded it to YouTube Shorts. If you want to see how I got this look, it was uploaded right before this, so definitely check that video out. But I think this hair is gonna look really, really cute once I curl it, because then you'll really be able to see the color. And then I want to do a style where it's like flipped over to the side, because I think that peekaboo is just so cute. It comes off a little red, but I use the color Pink Mania. I use this color by Kiss, which is an actual pink, but it looks like it's giving like red, almost fuchsia. But this hair took color really well, and it also is still soft after bleaching it. And I did bleach it twice. I bleached it 2 times. So sometimes you bleach hair twice and defried, but this is still good. So definitely check the links in the description box if you are interested in picking this wig up. Don't forget to like this video. Comment down below what you think about this trend. I like it. I know.
Keep flowing, hit the gas, keep going. Yeah, them girls on tour, going city after city.